Guys, if it wasn't for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, ngabe uVusumuzi Kate Matlala this week uthumela ama 500,000 to fund this conference. Niyakhumbula early January 2025 he was busy sending ama 500,000 to people abaya eCape Town. Welcome to 2026. Ngene kanjani enyakeni omusha? Mina ngingene right guys. So far akukho kumbi, ngithi ngiyanamukela. Naku 2026 ngisazonipa the detailed, the breaking down stories ezikhona ezenzakalako lapha endabeni. This week the ANC, they are having their January 8 conference. If it wasn't for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, ngabe this week uVusumuzi Kate Matlala he's funding again some people that are going to Northwest. Ngaba ma comrade akulala kamnandi lapha eSun City Hotels, but nevertheless guys, asibeke namehlo ANC, we all know ukuthi each and every January they are celebrating their birthday. So this year they are also celebrating their 114 anniversary ezobe ilapha in the Northwest. So ngithi in 2026 ngibuyile bana bekhaya asibambisaneni okumba kukha ngitsho asikagadanga namakhonsi, asichubekeni ngokuhlaziya into ezenzakalako, asichubekeni ngokubambisana kuhle, sicoceni in the comment section, sifundisane. Most importantly, ungakhohlwa ukuthi story akumelanga sikudlule. Story sizokudlula if ever you do not follow this page, because this year sibamba igijima leGautrain. Osele wasala usele, so zayibamba somewhere else. Make sure ukuthi you follow, like, comment and repost, because of this year sigijima ngesinye speed esinye, because of izinto ezobezenzeka this year sidlula kayi-1 sidlulile bana bekhaya, because of isikhathi asikho, like into engekho. Nibonile unyaka ophelile ukozakale na ngitsho July 6 izinto zimane zenzeka, and then from there we have to move with the flow. So yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi you follow this page, because of kwakudlula uzokusala eKevin.